This old thing hasn't moved in 50 years.
Yeah. The rust is quite significant, but the structure seems mostly intact.
We can work with this.
It's been sitting here since my husband passed back in '88. Nobody's touched it.
Thank you for showing us. We'll be very careful with it.
Quote me. My grandfather drove this very car along this road back in '65.
It's incredible Tudor.
The corrosion here on the hood is extensive. It will require significant panel replacement.
We can fabricate the new panels, but the time...
All right, here is the agreed amount in full.
Thank you kindly. Let me just confirm the count.
So that's the final count, 30,000?
Yes, thank you kindly. It's a fair price.
The ownership transfer is complete.
Thank you.
We will take good care of the peel.
It's a pleasure doing business with you, ma'am. We'll restore it beautifully.
Thank you, son. I appreciate that.
It's a pleasure doing business with you. We'll take good care of it.
I know you will. Thank you all so much.
The paperwork is all set. We are thrilled to start the restoration.
Okay, easy now. Keep it straight on the ramp.
Got it. Watch the strap on the left.
Clear on the right. Push. Keep it steady. Watch the ramps.
We're clear on the bottom.
All right, push it up slowly.
All right, team, keep it steady now. Centered on the ramp.
Got the left side. Clear on the right. Slow push.
Easy now. Keep it straight.
Just a little further. Watch the wheel.
Okay, hold it there.
Steady now. That hinge is completely seized.
I have the extractor ready.
Careful, it's starting to separate.
Okay, the last bolt is loose.
Ready to lift on 3?
Steady now, watch the rust.
The socket is gripping now. Slow turns.
I hear the rust breaking free.
Steady. I have it.
All right, the last bolt is loose. Be careful, it's quite rusty.
Got it. The fabric is extremely delicate here.
I have the tray ready for the bolts. Be careful with that screw, it looks seized.
I'm applying steady pressure. It's moving slowly.
Got the left trim piece off. Okay, easy now. Look at the state of this carburetor.
It's completely seized. We'll need the sonic cleaner.
And careful with the gasket, it's brittle.
The corrosion on the lower chassis is extensive. We need a precise plan here.
Agreed. We should start with localized sanding around the engine mounts.
This block is working well on the curve.
Yeah, just watch the edges near the headlight mount.
Okay, ladies, taking the tension now. Let me know when you're clear.
We're good on the right side. And stop.
Perfect.
Look closely at this seam. Significant pitting.
Noted. I'll circle this for the repair team.
And the rear cross member shows similar degradation.
And the final panel comes away. Good job, team. The disassembly is complete.
All right, I've got this side loose. Be ready to support the panel.
I'm ready. The bolts are clear on this end.
Same here. Pull slowly.
Clear on this side. Steady pull.
Copy that. Moving up slowly.
Holding steady. Okay, the fuel line is loose.
Oh.
Need the socket set for the harness.
Right here. Slowly now.
Okay, make sure the carburetor jets are labeled clearly. We don't want to mix these up.
This rust indicates significant water damage around the manifold. We need to assess the internal corrosion.
Understood. I'll start the deep clean on this section immediately.
That looks good, nice and slow. Keep the hardware organized.
Yes, making sure everything is labeled correctly. Ready? Lift slowly.
Okay, it's separating now. Look at that rust.
Clear on this side.
The cross-hatching appears consistent. Observe the wear pattern on cylinder 3 closely.
Noted. Minor vertical scoring near the bottom. Make sure to get that edge right there.
All right, I see it. We'll clean that up before the primer. How's the lower frame coming along?
Almost done with this section. Moving to the rear next.
Okay, carefully hand me the new suspension arm.
Here it is.
Now, apply the torque wrench right there, slowly.
Like this?
Perfect. Wait for the click.
The shine is excellent. Just focus on that inner curve right there.
I see it. Almost done, boss.
Check this seam right here, near the door hinge.
Yes, I see it. I'll mark that for a final polish.
Looks good otherwise.
Make sure this layer is perfectly smooth.
I'm checking the rear alignment now.
The front section is ready for the next coat. We need to let this area flash off completely before we touch it.
Understood. The sanding on the rear looks flawless, though.
Yes, she did a great job with the 1000 grit.
Slow and steady now. Make sure the gun is perpendicular to the panel for the final pass.
The flow looks absolutely perfect on the bonnet.
It's flawless. The surface is almost tacky now. We must maintain the ventilation for the next few hours.
The hood is flawless now. No swirl marks left.
This compound is perfect for the sides.
Almost finished with the rear quarter.
The reflections on the hood are perfect now.
Yes, the compound is working well on the lower panels.
We should be done with the sides shortly.
Easy now, just a little lower on my side.
Okay, hold it there. We need to align the front mount.
Got it, a millimeter to the left.
All right, team, let's double check everything before we close her up.
Hoses are good.
Wiring harness is secure.
That's the final bolt, torque to specification.
Confirmed secure. The installation is complete.
Easy now. Watch the alignment right here.
It's sitting perfectly flush. Hand me the wrench.
Already on it. Looks good.
The trim is perfectly aligned.
Check the tension on the light housing.
Solid. This handle isn't going anywhere.
This trim piece fits perfectly now.
Did you torque the handle bolts yet?
Just finished, moving to the taillights.
Torque is set on this side. Check the rear trim alignment.
Looks perfect. We are ready for sign-off.
This blue is absolutely flawless. Ready for the reveal.
The wheels are perfect now. I think we are done.
That's the best shine we've achieved yet.
It really is stunning. The color is perfect. All right, team. I think we're finished. The paintwork is absolutely flawless, truly stunning.
The gaps are perfect too. It's ready for the reveal. The timing sounds perfect now, doesn't it?
Yes, the idle is very smooth. Ready for the hood. Look at that reflection. Absolutely flawless work, team.
The curves are perfect.
Ready for the showroom.
The reflection is absolutely stunning. Yeah.
We've achieved the perfect mirror finish on the pastel blue.
Yeah. I can't feel a single imperfection here.
The reflections are flawless. We achieved perfect panel gaps across the entire body.
The clear coat is flawless. Check the alignment on the left indicator.
Perfect fit, boss. The finish is extremely smooth.
All right, the door is clear. Rolling out slowly.
Clear on the left. Watch the paint.
Clear on the right.
Look at that shine. Absolutely perfect, boss.
The lighting out here really shows the color.
All right, ladies, the peel is ready for the showcase. The glossy paint looks perfect in this light, boss.
The clarity on this windshield is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it truly is. The reflection of the trees looks incredible in the blue paint.
The wheel arches are flawless
The paintwork is incredibly smooth.
and the panel gaps are perfect.